What's up, everybody? It's Kevin, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while since I've posted some things, but we have been super ultra busy. Whoa. That's a clue with what's going on today. We've been super ultra busy with production for our new TV show called DIY Science Time. So if you have kids out there who are 4th, 5th, and 6th grade, have them check it out. Go to DIYScienceTime.org and check out all the episodes that we currently have being released on air for summer. It's pretty amazing. But anyway, that's not why you are here. You're here to actually check out how to reset that pesky tire light on your dash. That's right. I was driving my wife's car the other day, and we were out running around getting groceries and things like that when I saw the light pop on, and lo and behold, the back left tire, the driver's side rear, was a little low. So I've actually let the car sit so I can make the video, and sorry about that. And we're gonna show you how to fill up your tire with the appropriate air pressure and then reset that pesky light that drives lots of people crazy, including myself. So let's get to it. So if you don't know what pressure you need for your tires, it's typically in the door jamb of your car. Those are factory recommendations. And yeah, that's what I go with, and I've been doing that with our Mazda since 2013 when we bought the car. And so it has 95,000 miles on it now. Car's been running great. We rotate our tires all the time, but in your door jamb, you actually have that little bitty sticker that tells you what you need. So let me show you what that looks like. So here is the sticker. Obviously it's turned sideways, but you can see here front tires are 225 55 R19s. And they are cold 36 psi, so cold tire pressure 36 psi. And then if you ever need to, the rear is here as well, but then it also has all the specs for your spare tire should you need it. And yeah, so we need 36 psi, so we're going to head back to the back rear tire to check that out and to see what it's actually at. All right, what you need to do now is uncap this, and I'm going to put my pump on there, and you can see here that is at 30 psi, so a little low, and I'm just going to crank it on. All right, so we're almost at 36 psi. When I let go, right there on the dot, 36 psi. So yeah, I love my Ryobi portable little mini air compressor power inflator. I use this for my science shows, and it is just so handy. But yeah, so there we go. It's just a hair under 36. Take that off, put the cap back on. All right, so now that we have the actual tire up to the correct PSI, thanks to my handy dandy Ryobi power inflator that's portable. I love this thing. I'll put a link into it in the description, but it's definitely awesome. And if you purchase it through the link, it helps out the channel grow a little bit. So we appreciate that. But let's hop into the car now. Let's turn it on, and actually let's take a peek at that pesky little tire pressure button, light, indicator, whatever you want to call it. It drives me crazy when it's on the dashboard. All right, so I do have the trunk open because we got some groceries. Start the car. And there it is. Ah! Drive people crazy. Drive you crazy. So what you're gonna do is, it's really simple to fix this. It's right over here. And you're going to hold this for 3 seconds, and I'm going to kind of pan out so you can see it happen while I hold it, maybe. Pushing it. Boom. Tire pressure monitor initialized. It's set it over here. I don't know if you caught that, but it is gone. I can turn the car off now. And literally, it's that simple. So if you are having issues with your tires, obviously you want to have them checked out by a dealer or someone who works on your tires. I had mine installed at Firestone. Love the set of tires that I have. We've had zero issues with it I've had them on for over a year. This is the first time we've actually had the, you know, the little light pop on. Boy, I am sweating like a pig. It's warm out today here in Ohio. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you like stuff like this and it was helpful, please be sure to subscribe. We're on our way to 1,000 subs. That is my goal by the end of the year. Hopefully we get there, and with your help, we can. So hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and if you want more videos or you have questions about certain things, let me know. I'm happy to make the videos to support the channel and support you learning about your cars and vehicles at home. And for me, this is just a great little hobby. Lots of fun to make videos about my cars. And yeah, I love my CX-5. And on that note, more videos to come. We've got a windshield wiper we need to replace, so I'm going to be doing a video on that here in the very near future. All right, thanks so much, everybody. Take care. Bye.